green tea toner is not just a skincare product, it's a rejuvenation elixir for your skin. Made primarily from green tea, this toner leverages the natural antioxidants found in the leaves. These antioxidants provide a protective barrier against environmental damage while soothing the skin. The popularity of green tea toner stems from its ability to cater to a variety of skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin, making it a versatile addition to any skincare routine. The magic of green tea toner lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Unlike many commercial skincare products filled with harsh chemicals, green tea toner uses natural ingredients that are gentle yet effective. It helps to cleanse, tone, and hydrate the skin, leaving a fresh and radiant complexion. More than just a beauty product, it's a testament to the power of natural ingredients in maintaining skin health. For those exploring natural skincare options, green tea toner offers a trustworthy choice. Its ingredients are not only effective but also support skin health without the aggressive tactics of synthetic alternatives. As we delve deeper into what makes green tea toner beneficial, it becomes clear why this product is favored by many for maintaining youthful, healthy skin. The primary ingredient in green tea toner is, unsurprisingly, green tea extract. This extract is rich in polyphenols, which are natural compounds known for their antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help combat free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause premature aging and skin damage. The inclusion of green tea extract ensures that the toner not only cleanses the skin, but also protects it. Another crucial component often found in green tea toners is witch hazel. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, witch hazel helps in reducing skin irritation and redness. This makes the toner particularly beneficial for those with acne-prone or sensitive skin. Additionally, witch hazel acts as a natural astringent, minimizing pores and refining the skin's texture. Lastly, many green tea toners include aloe vera, which provides soothing hydration to the skin. Aloe vera is famous for its healing properties, especially in calming sunburns and reducing skin inflammations. Its hydrating effect complements the astringent qualities of witch hazel and the antioxidant benefits of green tea, making the toner a balanced skincare solution. Green tea toner is celebrated for its ability to reduce inflammation. The polyphenols in green tea help in soothing irritated skin, making it ideal for conditions like rosacea and acne. These anti-inflammatory properties ensure that the skin remains calm and less reactive to daily stressors. Regular use of green tea toner can lead to noticeable improvements in skin redness and irritation. Managing oil production is another significant benefit. For those struggling with oily skin, green tea toner can help regulate sebum production. This is vital for preventing acne outbreaks, as excess oil can lead to clogged pores and pimples. The toner's natural components work together to balance skin moisture, decreasing the likelihood of oil overproduction. Moreover, green tea toner helps in enhancing skin texture and tone. Its mild exfoliating effect removes dead skin cells, promoting new cell growth and a smoother complexion. Regular application can also aid in the reduction of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, thanks to the toner's brightening properties. This leads to a more even skin tone and a clearer, more vibrant complexion. To maximize the benefits of green tea toner, proper application is key. It's best used after cleansing but before moisturizing. This allows the toner to clear any residual impurities and prepare the skin for further skincare treatments. For application, a cotton pad soaked in toner can be gently swiped across the face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Frequency of application depends on the skin type. For those with oily or acne-prone skin, using the toner twice a day can be beneficial. However, for those with dry or sensitive skin, once a day or every other day might be sufficient. It's important to listen to your skin and adjust usage accordingly to prevent over-drying or irritation. Additionally, it's beneficial to incorporate green tea toner into both morning and evening skincare routines. In the morning, it helps remove any oils that have built up overnight and prepares the skin for moisturizers or makeup. In the evening, it plays a crucial role in the removal of environmental pollutants that accumulate during the day, ensuring that the skin is thoroughly cleansed and able to recover overnight. Creating your own green tea toner at home is not only cost-effective, but also allows you to tailor the ingredients to suit your skin's needs. Start by steeping 2 green tea bags in 1 cup of boiling water for 15 minutes. This concentration will ensure that the antioxidants and polyphenols are well extracted, making your toner potent and beneficial. Once the tea has cooled, add a tablespoon of witch hazel. This adds astringent properties to your toner, helping to tighten pores and soothe the skin. If your skin is particularly sensitive, you can opt to reduce the amount or omit it altogether. For added hydration, mix in a teaspoon of aloe vera gel, which will make the toner more soothing and hydrating. Transfer the mixture to a clean bottle or jar and store it in the refrigerator to maintain freshness. The cool toner not only feels refreshing when applied, but also helps in reducing pore size and soothing puffy skin. Use your homemade toner within a week to ensure it remains effective and safe for use, as it contains no preservatives. Comparing green tea toner to other popular types, such as rosewater or salicylic acid toners, highlights its unique benefits. While rosewater toner is excellent for hydration and soothing, green tea toner provides the added advantage of potent antioxidants that protect against environmental damage. Salicylic acid toners are great for acne-prone skin due to their ability to deeply cleanse pores, but they can be harsh and drying for some skin types. Green tea toner, with its natural composition, offers a balanced approach suitable for nearly all skin types. Its ability to control oil, reduce inflammation, and provide antioxidant protection makes it a standout choice in the realm of skin toners. Moreover, for those interested in clean beauty products, green tea toner aligns perfectly with the ethos of using environmentally friendly and skin-safe ingredients. The versatility of green tea toner also means that it can be easily incorporated into any skincare routine, whether it's aimed at combating aging, managing acne, or simply maintaining healthy skin. Its mild nature makes it an excellent option for those new to toners, providing a gentle yet effective introduction to this skincare step. To bring the benefits of green tea toner closer to home, let's hear from real users. Jessica, a 28-year-old from Florida, shares, "After using green tea toner for a month, my skin feels refreshed and less oily throughout the day. The redness around my nose has also significantly decreased." Such testimonials highlight the toner's effectiveness in managing skin concerns and enhancing overall skin appearance. Another user, Mark, age 35, notes, "I was skeptical about switching to a natural toner, but the green tea toner changed my perspective. It's gentle, and I've noticed fewer breakouts and a more even skin tone since I started using it." Stories like Mark's underscore the adaptability of green tea toner to different skin types and conditions, making it a reliable choice for diverse skincare needs. Furthermore, testimonials not only attest to the physical improvements in skin, but also to the psychological benefits. Many users express feeling more confident and pleased with their skin's health. This emotional impact, coupled with visible results, provides compelling evidence of the transformative power of green tea toner. The journey through the world of green tea toner reveals its undeniable benefits for skin health. From its antioxidant-rich composition to its soothing and protective properties, green tea toner stands out as a stellar natural skincare choice. It's clear that this toner is not just about beauty, it's about fostering healthier skin in a natural way. If you're curious about integrating more natural products into your skincare routine, or if you're simply looking for a gentle yet effective toner, green tea toner is an excellent choice. Remember, the health of your skin is an investment, and choosing products like green tea toner can pay off with vibrant, healthy skin. So, why not start your green tea toner journey today? Whether you buy a pre-made product or decide to try your hand at making your own, the benefits of incorporating this magical toner into your skincare regimen are compelling. Embrace the natural magic and let your skin show its true beauty.